Hi, this is Lonna Lisa Williams. Welcome to the first episode of Lonna Lisa Teaches English. Yeah, and oh my God, here I am. Hi. Yeah, I've been more fashionable. I've got my scarf and my cross. Don't look like a Jedi anymore. I was filming looking like a Jedi knight with a black robe on, but it's warmed up a little in my room. So you are here in the room I rent in a family's home in Bakersfield, California, pretty much middle of nowhere. Definitely not London, Paris, New York, LA, or Moscow or Shanghai, places I've been and loved. But people here seem to think that they're in heaven or something, or they're the lords of the universe, because I have been evicted from 2 places in Bakersfield, and I was a good renter. I kept things neat and clean and didn't yell at anyone or call anyone names. Go figure. And I paid the rent on time, mostly. Well, the first time I missed 1 or 2 by a week or a couple days, but this time I paid on time every single time, so they have no reason to evict me. Anyway, enough about that. Back to the board. I do not want you to see my face the whole time because I have looked better. So, my board, Lonna Lisa Teaches English. I have the coolest whiteboard, and I got these 2 little trays from Walmart. They were like $12 or no, $9.99 each. They're wood, they fold out, they're really cool. And I got this big whiteboard at Sam's Club for only $17 and some odd cents. I mean, that's a bargain. If you want to survive in this world, and I'm also known as survival woman, you need to find your bargains. Like go to Sam's Club, go to Walmart, stay out of those expensive stores. And look, it comes with these cute color markers that have magnets and a little eraser that has a magnet. I mean, it is so cute. It has these 2 extra little magnets up here. You can pin stuff. And here's my other little table. So I did this whole setup in my room for like less than $40. Less than. I mean, really? Don't complain and say you can't do anything on a little budget, because if you can do all this in less than $40, you can do anything. Okay, so teach this English. What's one of the first things you need to remember about English? I really need a camera woman today, but my camera woman is not here, so it's just me. We're going to try to do this. Anyway, hang on. If I can figure out how to work the marker. Okay, take the lid off. That'll help. All right. So one, you start with words. Okay, that's a profound thought. Teaching English, start with words. Words are the building blocks of everything in language. So if you don't have perfect grammar or even a complete sentence, if you have a few words in any language, you can make your message clear. So start with words, lots of words. Get a dictionary, learn some words. Mostly you want some nouns. Nouns are words that are descriptive because they are people, places, or things, or ideas even. So people, that word is a noun, actually. Places. Here we go. Sorry. Hard to do the camera and write at the same time. Things and ideas. Okay. Nouns are people, places, things, and ideas. And if you've got a lot of nouns in your brain because you have a nice little Spanish-English dictionary, or you just know good English anyway, then that's a start. You cannot write a sentence without words, and you need nouns. You cannot write a sentence without nouns, okay? So grammar is not everyone's favorite thing. Let's write that up there. Grammar. Got to spell it right. Once I spelled it with an ER at the end, and my students really told me off. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm the English teacher. I have a master's degree from San Diego State University and a lifetime California Community College teaching credential. And I have taught overseas in universities in Russia, Turkey, and China for 5 years, but I cannot spell grammar. I just said to my students, I was just checking to see if you would catch the mistake. And technically, I actually forgot how to spell it at the moment because I was stressed teaching, but we teachers try to go on. Grammar has to do with words. Nouns are the first most important thing, okay? So learn your nouns. In fact, that's your assignment today. If English is your second language, and I've taught English as a second language, I want you to learn some nouns, okay? So you might want to get a good Spanish-English dictionary. For example, if your first language is Spanish, get something like this. Webster's Spanish-English Dictionary for Students. It's like $3 on Amazon. We're talking low budget, folks. $3. I mean, really? Maybe 4, maybe 5 at the most, okay? Depending on the day you get it. Really good, cheap. Get a book of words, a regular dictionary, a Spanish-English dictionary, a Russian-English dictionary, whatever language you start with to get English. All right, so words are the most important. And if you can have those words in your mind and you can speak those words, you can make your message clear. You can write if you have words. Without words, you can't write. Amazing how that works. All right, so when you talk about words, you want to talk about some things. Let me get another color, like, I don't know, red. Okay, words have different categories. One is nouns, all right? And there's another category, and that category is called verbs, all right? All right, verbs. Basic grammar. Verbs are action words. Yes. So while nouns are all these things, verbs are action. Oh, sorry. It's so hard to talk and film and write at the same time. Oh my gosh. Okay. Verbs are action words. You need nouns and verbs to make a sentence. In fact, that's all you need. You don't have to have a bunch of adjectives and adverbs and prepositions and conjunctions. You could do it with just a few nouns and verbs, just even 1 or 2. Yeah. So it's not that hard. Basic grammar is not that hard. If you remember, you basically only need 2 things, nouns and verbs. We're going to circle nouns and verbs. That's all you really need. The others are like icing on the cake, okay? So action words tell what's happening. It could even be a word like to be, like I am. Well, actually, I is the pronoun, but we'll make another sentence. Okay, let me find a nice color. How about green? Yeah. Okay, we're going to do an example over here. How to write a basic sentence with just a noun and a verb. Okay? All right. Mary, she's a person, she's a noun, speaks. All right. You could actually have a sentence with just those 2 words, and the green doesn't work very well. Let me try purple. Okay. That doesn't work very well either. I am going to go to the store and get more markers. The ones that came with this board are not that bold. All right. Well, here we have a sentence. Mary speaks. In fact, we're probably going to have to do it in black. Yeah, that's going to be my color because you can really see black on white. Too bad blacks and whites are always fighting because they really go well together. All right. Mary speaks. You have got here, you've got a noun, a person. And here you've got a verb. Yeah. Put them together and you've got a sentence. And you capitalize the first letter of the sentence always. When you type out a sentence, you always capitalize the first letter, even if it's not a proper name. Okay? Mary speaks. Noun plus verb. Yeah, that is so simple. English grammar can't always be difficult, can it? If you've got a good teacher, then you'll understand it better. So this simple, easy lesson is know your nouns. People, places, things, ideas. Know your verbs, action words like speak or walk or talk or even is, I am. Let's write that down. This is slightly different. Okay, where's my black? Okay. All right. How about we say I speak? Well, that's good too. But instead of a noun and a verb, we've got a pronoun. and a verb. So I'm teaching you another word type. Pronoun plus verb. All right. And up there was noun plus verb. Pronouns take the place of nouns. So instead of saying Mary all the time, maybe you're talking about yourself. So you say, I speak. There you go. Pronoun plus verb, complete sentence. Remember, when you use the word I, always capitalize it to be correct grammatically. That doesn't mean you can't break the rules. If you know the rules, you have to know them well, then you can break them. Yeah, E.E. Cummings and a lot of different writers have broken rules and not used capitalization or even proper grammar, or, there's been a book published that had nothing in it because it was like a bunch of beautiful white pages. Yeah, you can break the rules, but you need to know them first. So Mary speaks, or you could say I speak. Okay, and notice how the verb changes. In the first one, we have an S, Mary speaks. But in the second one, I speak, there is no S. So verbs change according to the noun or pronoun that initiates their action. Oh yeah, that's a long sentence. Verbs change according to the noun or pronoun that initiates their action. Yeah, because you've got a person doing an action. Mary speaks, or a pronoun person like me doing an action. Isn't that cool? Now you know all you really need to know about nouns and verbs. Pronouns are another thing. There are a lot of little words we got to know, memorize, We'll do more pronouns later, okay? So let's back up and look at our whole board, our $17 Sam's Club board, and our $10 Walmart tables that look pretty cool, I should say, against my bedroom closet door. And I would like to invite you to continue to watch Lonna Teaches English, because I am Lonna Lisa Williams, also known as Survival Woman, and I have lots of experience teaching English all around the world. And I'm here to help you. If you have any questions about this lesson, which I am offering to you for free, then email me at, just try talking, filming, and writing at the same time. It is, oh my gosh, it doesn't even look like an R. I know my email is really complicated. Oh God, help me. All right. Email me at selatrilogy@yahoo.com. Again, Selah, which is a Hebrew word that means musical pause or interlude, found in the book of Psalms written by David, the king of Israel. Selah Trilogy. Trilogy is a book of 3 at yahoo.com. Yes, I've written 2 Selah books. One is published, one's not quite finished, and the other is just in my mind. But I will someday have a trilogy or maybe more. So email me at selatrilogy@yahoo.com and I will answer your questions and help you with grammar and writing. Yeah, I will. Right now I'm doing all this for free. Maybe someday I will figure out how to charge people money. But in my whole life, honestly, I only wanted to give away my books to people. Give them away and give away my ability at teaching English. Just give it away. Because really, these days, who gives anyone anything? Giving a gift is an amazing thing. It's a surprise, and surprises are great. So this is Lonna Lisa Williams. Lonna Lisa Teaches English, about verbs and nouns and simple sentences that just need 2 words. And my email, and that's my grammar lesson of the day, all with a very low budget, as you probably can tell. And I'm going to sign off and just thank you for watching this. And remember, if life gives you lemons, let's draw a lemon. I love lemons. I mean, lemons had a bad rap, like a lemon, really. If life gives you lemons, yeah, make lemonade. All right. So you want to if life gives you lemons, get a glass and make lemonade. All right. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And you will survive and you will learn. Yeah? Okay. Lonna Lisa Williams, Teaching English, signing off. Have a great rest of your day and come back for more easy lessons.